Hi there, it's Ryan from Horton Bonsai. How are you doing? Last week I got a text message of a woman who I'd done a roof for 3.5 years ago. I walked in our front garden, I seen this gorgeous Cotoneaster, and I says, if you ever get rid of that, give us a shout. So she texted us last week, are you still interested in the tree? So obviously, yes, I am. You know what it's like with bonsai. So I phoned Robert Atkinson from Akamatsu School of Bonsai. You met him in the last video. He is a good friend of mine and a good teacher of mine. He's taught me a hell of a lot. So today, me and Rob went out and we got this Cotoneaster. There's not much happening in the video, it's just a few short clips, but we'll show you what it's like when we cut it down, and you'll see what it's like when it's potted. So once it starts shooting and living, we've got about 3 or 4 air layers to come off it before we start styling the tree. So thanks for watching, hit that like button and subscribe please. I've left him in the house out the way.
Where we're going to chuck all the rubbish?
I just chuck it down there.
Alright.
The top.
Alright, just when he puts it on.
Do you want to turn it the other way, like?
It's huge, that, isn't it?
You seen it on the photo how it was.
The size of it.
Am I right?
Son.
You should be on it, it's your tree. One, 2, 3. No, at least 4, but possibly 5. I reckon if it lives.